I am super excited to share with you this brand new course, Cryptocurrency Window of Wealth. And what this is all about, let me just bottom line it for you right here out of the gate, is to make incredible returns in a very short period of time. I'm talking about big, massive returns and in a short period of time. So isn't that what we all want? Big money, fast. In this course, I do show you exactly how I've been trading crypto now for years and years and years, and the windows of opportunity that are still coming up. You did not miss out. They're incredible. In fact, there's even some opportunities that have never existed before. You are not too late. There's going to be a series of windows of opportunity, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this course, how to catch those big mega moves and also keep your risk minimal. So part of this course also is watching out for the hype, the scams, keep you out of trouble. And we emphasize that a lot. So, and by the way, let's look at an illustration here. This is just happening right now. So this is Avalanche. And you could just see, oh, okay, we've gone down here from $9 up to $41. That's where we are right now. This thing has just been screaming up. And, you know, what's that? 4 times a 4x in just a short period of time. From October 19th, and today as I'm recording this, it's December 12th. So less than 2 months. It's just ridiculous. You're not going to get this kind of return in most stocks, futures, Forex, anything else. Cryptocurrency, that's what's unique about it, is it's very volatile. Now again, volatility is a two-edged sword, but I'll show you how to keep your risk low and focus on the gains. And some of these gains can be just crazy, crazy big. And you can risk a very, 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 very small amount of money. Now, Avalanche has already moved. And again, by the way, what we're looking at, you can see over here in my right column, I've got many, many cryptocurrencies listed here. So yes, in this course, you're going to learn about Bitcoin. Absolutely. You're going to learn about Ethereum. But what tends to happen is that one market follows another, follows another, follows another. So if Bitcoin moves first, then Ethereum, then mid-cap altcoins, and then small-cap altcoins. Then we look at individual sectors, just like with stocks, you have sectors. So in cryptocurrency, you have the gaming sector, which is huge, by the way. Did you know that the business of gaming is bigger than Hollywood movies and the music industry put together? And gaming is just a perfect fit for cryptocurrency and blockchain. And by the way, we're going to go more than just cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about the technology of blockchain, and that if you don't want to invest in tokens or coins, how you can invest in the technology. Then AI. Obviously, AI is a big, big, big topic right now, as it should be, and that's not going anywhere. By the way, blockchain is here to stay as a technology. Artificial intelligence is here to stay as a technology. Both of those are connected with cryptocurrency. And there's individual coins and tokens where you can take huge advantage. There's a whole category, a whole sector of AI that is into crypto. And that, I'll tell you, that's why I'm looking. That's why I'm making my investments. Okay, here's one. Now, I showed you one that already took off, Avalanche. So we're not going to chase it. We're not going to FOMO. But look at this. So here's one that hasn't taken off yet, Engine Coin. By the way, for full disclosure, I am invested in this. And look where we are right now. This is what we're looking for. We're looking for these very, very low opportunities right here. And then I'm going to show you techniques and tools. And I'm going to give you a toolbox on how to catch these. And we're going to catch these when they're way down here and then explode. Now, I got to put on my glasses because I'm, well, old. But right now it's at, 35 cents? And look, it had been all the way up to, we'll just take this a little more modestly here. So if we go back to all-time highs, we can 10x on this puppy. 10x. Put in $1,000, get 10,000, or 10,000, get in 100,000. But I will show you, and by the way, this is another aspect of crypto that's very important. A lot of people get in based on hype, stories, narratives, excitement, social media, things like that. You got to know when to get out, because a lot of these things will explode. You could see the history here. It explodes up, and then it comes crashing back down. So this is a mistake a lot of people don't know, is when to exit with your profits. I'll show you the exact techniques that I use for that as well. Another thing I love about cryptocurrency is you can actually make passive income with it. So while we are investing, and while we're waiting for the big move, you're actually making money. And even during the big move, you can make money. So kind of like a dividend with the stock. It's not exactly a dividend, but you can earn interest. You can do staking, various techniques. I will show you how to do that passive income just for holding crypto, whether it moves or not. This course includes 10 videos. You also get a PDF document which outlines it so you can follow along. You can print it out if you'd like and follow along with the videos. I will give you techniques that you'll be able to use not only right now, but you'll be able to use basically forever to find the opportunities at any given time of year, going on with the different cycles in the market. Now, by the way, crypto moves in different cycles. You know, I'm famous for cycles, but crypto moves in different cycles. It has its own cycles tied with the market. And it also, this is a beautiful thing, the supply demand of crypto. You want to be very careful with that because there are certain coins, and actually Bitcoin is a big one, where there is a limited supply. Only a certain number of Bitcoins will be mined ever. And the amount that are mined every year or every 4 years goes in half. So the supply diminishing, and the demand, especially now with big institutions coming in and ETFs and big, huge institutions, not only institutions, by the way, sovereign funds, countries who are investing in Bitcoin. The U.S. government has truckloads of Bitcoin. So that's demand. That's demand. It's becoming more popular and more accessible. So the supply demand, I mean, that's what makes markets move. And it's just crazy great with crypto. But again, not with all coins, not with all tokens. And I'll show you how to see that for yourself. So get the course, enjoy, go through it. Again, it's not a long course, which actually I think is an advantage. So what you're not paying for minutes or hours or number of videos, you're paying for knowledge. You're paying for the results that you can get from this. So see you on the inside.